Yes na, diba?
Oo, naayos na po. Opo.
Salamat sa Diyos. Ano?
Salamat sa Diyos na
Extension,
Opo.
paghilom.
Hindi, talaga, hindi ako pinapabayaan kahit anong mangyari.
May ganyan naman ang story ng buhay mo.
Natin lahat. Natin lahat. Kahit sino sa atin, ganyan ang istorya ng buhay natin. Laging nandun siya.
Okay, I hope you don't mind, Ate Gay, nagpapasalamat lang si Tirsa August III, no? It's a compliment daw yung sinabi mo na siya pa rin ang greatest love mo.
Nakita ko nga kanina eh. Opo, at salamat naman at akala ko nga magagalit eh. Yung pala hindi. Tuwa naman po ako.
Tumatawa siya.
Ha?
Oo, nakatawa siya.
Nakatawa po siya talaga. Opo, opo.
Together again, all my tears can't stop falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The love that we knew is living again, and nothing else matters. We're together again, together again. All the gray skies are gone. I'm back in your arms, now where I belong. The key to my heart you hold in your hand. Maria Leonora Teresa, my gift to you. She was a dawn and lasting symbol of my love so true. Maria Leonora Teresa was not alone. She had both of us to love her as we loved in a world of our own. Maria Leonora Teresa. Now she is blue. She knows that you have found a new love, and she's been crying too. Maria Leonora Teresa. Forsaken love, now that you return her to me, love has died for Maria and me. Maria Leonora Teresa, Maria Leonora Teresa.
This is okay. Nagpapasalamat siya sa akin. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi we were talking, we were texting every day. Tapos, hindi ako makapaniwala na nawala siya kagabi. I was there. Na-witness ko po yung pagkawala niya kasama yung mga bata, yung mga witness ko po kung paano siya nawala. Mari, you know that I love you. Alam mo yun, sabi mo sa akin, huwag kitang pababayaan, hindi kita pinabayaan. I was there for you.
Who broke your heart and made you write that song? Every time you sing, I want to cry along. Everything was right until your love went wrong. Who made you write that song? I remember the happy things in the songs that you used to sing. Sunny blue skies and wedding rings. But this morning they're gone. Cloudy skies have begun to pour. There's a wind in your fuel door, and you're really alone once more. I can tell by your song. Who broke your heart and made you write that song? Every time you sing, I want to cry along. Everything was right until your love went wrong. Who made you write that song? When you ask me if I can see that the songs only make believe, if you think that you're fooling me, let me tell you you're wrong. Anyone who has loved will know, after hearing a verse or so, you can smile but your tears still show in the words to your song. Who broke your heart and made you write that song? Every time you sing, I want to cry along.
Mahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingling. Ang bituin at araw niya'y kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwalhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.